Ready to unlock the secret weapon for savvy Temu shopping and organize all your future must-haves? Let's dive right into creating your very own Temu wishlist, because who wants to lose track of those gotta-have-it items? First, make sure you're logged into your Temu account, of course. Now, see that navigation bar at the bottom of your screen? Start browsing like you normally would. When you find something you absolutely love, I've got my eye on this gadget. Tap on that product to open its page. Okay, now look for the little heart icon. It's usually near the product image or the add to cart button. See it? Tap that heart. Voila! That adds the item to your wish list. You'll probably see a little confirmation pop up letting you know it worked. Now to find your wish list, head over to your profile or use section. It's usually an icon that looks like a person in that section. You should see a wish list or favorites option. Tap on that. And there you have it, your very own personalized Temu treasure trove. From here, you can browse your saved items, add them to your cart when you're ready to buy, or even remove them if you've changed your mind. Removing an item is just as easy. Simply tap that heart icon again to remove it from your list. Now you can enjoy stress-free shopping on Temu. So go forth and create your ultimate wishlist. Happy shopping! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Temu tips and tricks.